channel. You guys remember the haul that I just did? I did the formal dining room, and in that haul I got this stand and also a beautiful statue of a woman holding a baby. It was dirty, it was yellow, and so I decided to revamp the statue and also give the stand a beautiful shine, because of course, you know, I'm the bling girl and I like my bling, my mirrors, and my silver. So without any further ado, here's the rest of the video. So I really tried to give her a good cleaning, and I didn't want to paint her, but because the yellow would not come off, I gave her 4 coats of vintage white from Rustoleum. And while my statue is drying, I went and painted my stand in this beautiful metallic silver. I gave it 3 coats, and then I went on to adding some mirrors and some bling. So I used these 1-inch mirrors that I got from Amazon. They were about 40 or 50. I think I got them for $10. I'm going to try to find the link and leave it down below. And then I just went around the top of the table because I already had a mirror that I purchased for the top. And I used a mixture of Gorilla Glue and hot glue just to give it a nice strong hold. And of course, children are home from school, so I am home with my granddaughter Gianna, and she was helping me count how many we needed for the table. And finally, I add my diamond wrap to the bottom, and we're all done. So I placed the statue in a corner of my formal living room, and every time I walk into it, it's the first thing I see. This statue is absolutely gorgeous. It's my favorite so far. I have a few that I've collected throughout the years, but this statue represents everything that I feel for my family. When I look at her, all I see is love. My grandchildren and my children mean the world to me, and that's exactly what she represents. Guys, thank you again for coming to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Guys, as always, stay safe, wear your gloves and your masks, and be very considerate of others. Have a wonderful day. Bye.